here. So, Apple, the tech giant, recently rolled out to the AI party. Finally. And remember, it isn't just any ChatGPT clone, it's Apple Intelligence. Yeah, literally AI. Clever name, huh? This is the Apple's version of artificial intelligence. It's here, it's shiny, it's got that it just works energy. Or does it? Apple's expected to drop the full AI experience baked right into the iOS 18, iPadOS, and macOS. Just think about it. Smart Siri. I'll get to it later. Smart Siri, AI generated replies, photo editing with just a prompt, all integrated, all system level. No, no third party apps, no sketchy permissions, all native and all Apple style. But we have already seen these things in ChatGPT and Google Gemini. But Apple is trying to make that feel invisible, but in a good way. First up, hardware. Apple's chips are ridiculously capable, like the A17 Pro, the M1, the M2, the M3, and the M4. These things have neural engines already built into it, and they have been chilled in the background since now. At least they have some more to do now. Apple's been low-key, storing all the AI potential like it's preparing for the winter. And now, winter has finally arrived, and they are finally letting it loose. Second one, privacy. This is where Apple's ridiculously flexible, like ridiculously. And while others prefer running everything on cloud, Apple's going hybrid. Yeah, hybrid. On-device processing when it's too short, and cloud computing when it's ridiculously heavy, like so that it doesn't obliterate your iPhone, but it's all encrypted. Actually clean, because no one's actually doing privacy first AI code like this. Integration. This isn't some chatbot on the side. This is AI that's baked right into your apps, Mail, Notes, Safari, all with extra brain power now. Like your iPhone's got some quite promotion to the assistant manager. Let's be real for a second. Siri, still mid. Like Siri, it's 2025 now, and Siri can't even set a timer without freaking out. Meanwhile, ChatGPT is out there writing Python scripts and giving therapy advice. Siri can't even spell bookie. Yeah, that's right. Then there's Apple's favorite hobby, control. Apple's APIs might be locked down harder and harder than your high school Wi-Fi. It's nice if you're a user, but it's really frustrating if you're a dev trying to innovate. Oh, and there's using some chips like the A17 Pro and the M1 and later. Sorry about that. You might not even get these AI features. An AI revolution from Apple, but for only chosen few. The A17 Pro and M1 chips might be like, I'm the chosen one. So, Apple's finally here, and yeah, they took their time. They studied the rules and just came in with a vibe. If you're deep in this Apple's ecosystem and care much more about privacy, this might be a win. Yes, this is AI that isn't so loud or feels sketchy or like it's trying too hard to do something. But if you're like me who like building breaking stuff and building crazy things, you might be better off with OpenAI. Apple's taking a bite out of AI, but whether it's sweet or it's just another shiny gimmick, we'll find out soon. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Oh, and just remember, not all apples fall from the eye tree unless they are updating the Siri. Apple, please don't give us the chance to hate you. I mean, an excuse to hate you. We all love you so much. Love you, Apple.